Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where this green line here is coming from. And for those of you that have watched my past videos, I've talked about 116 time and time again as a very interesting level. And it got tested today, which was kind of shocking given how much it gapped up. But I mean, today in and of itself, I mean, a good old-fashioned gap and trap. There's no other way to describe it from a technical point of view than a gap and trap. But with that gap and trap, it actually brought the price all the way down to 116, which, at first, not shocking at all. I mean, it was holding as support once again. But after the bulls found, after the bears worked up enough strength, got the break, and down it went. So I go through all that because there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into Thursday, if there is going to be any sort of attempted bounce, 116, definitely now that very important level of resistance that'll need to be cleared. Like I said, if there's any sort of chance at any bigger type bounce getting underway, if the price can get up there and break through the 116 mark, next overall level of resistance at that point would be the purple line there, which on my chart represents the very well-known 50-period moving average, and that is currently valued at $120.50. But before we really put any more attention to that 50-period moving average, 116 has got to be that first key level that needs to be broken. Now, what about levels of support going forward? The next level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, so this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, but it's going to be right down here at the 113 mark. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, you can see 113 acted as resistance several times, and then there's the foundational rule when resistances are broken, which it was broken right there. They tend to act as support, and you can see acted as support right there. And price is definitely within striking distance here. So there's going to be long shorts and everybody in between watching this 113 level going into tomorrow wondering, is that going to hold? If it doesn't, then yeah, there's lots of varieties of trade plans that could be constructed from there. So let's see what happens with it going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.